Shrimp Scampi is going down on the griddle today. You want to see us do our take? Stick around while we dig in. All right, so moving over to the griddle right now, we've got these 3 burners on low. This side we're not going to use the right side. We're just using part of it. It's going to cook really quick. All we're going to do is toss some butter, toss some garlic, toss the shrimp. After a couple minutes, we're going to incorporate the pasta, which isn't pictured, Brett, and I'm saying pictured and haven't gone through the groceries. Get to the groceries.
Well, first of all, also not pictured is the shrimp.
So Griffin just brought me the pasta. We wanted to pre-cook this because we knew this would cook really fast. We have done it on the griddle before. It just takes a little bit longer. But Brett, go ahead and get to the other groceries.
All right, so here we go. The star of the show is this shrimp. It has been peeled and deveined. We've got this amazing sauce that we made with this white cooking wine, some parsley flakes, some lemon juice, and some garlic.
Brett wanted about 5 tablespoons of butter. We've done this enough that we kind of have an idea of how much we want and need. Now, this is a garlic shrimp scampi, so we are going to be a little bit heavier on the garlic and the butter. What you're looking for with the garlic is you want to hit it before it starts to really get dark brown. Brown is fine. Black means it's burning, and that's going to change the flavor of your
Now, Adam did say we have these burners on low. Normally you want to cook shrimp on a higher temperature, but this has been on for about 15 minutes, so it is very hot.
We got our salt, pepper, just a touch of that, and then we're gonna hit it with salt.
Yep.
And Brett, at that point, you can probably go ahead and we can probably start introducing
the noodles.
Here's your noodles, and one fell swoop. All right, Brett, it's almost time for my favorite part. Well, the eating's my favorite part.
Yes.
So shrimp is going to take you about 2 to 3 minutes to cook. Brett, like pointed out, we're trying to lose the translucency and get mostly pink. That's what we're looking for right there. Here we go. Get that sauce all up in there. The sauce is boss, Brett.
Yep.
Make the magic happen.
Do your thing. Do your thing, Twitter.
Do your thing, Twitter. I'm going to toss a little bit of the parsley flakes in there, and we'll toss some more at the end.
Oh, the smell.
It smells so good. Now, once that's cooked, now we don't have to reduce this sauce very much because we love the flavor of it as it is.
I would drink the sauce as is.
Man, look at that. This is shrimp scampi in about 5 minutes on the griddle.
It has actually been 3.5 minutes. I timed it.
Sorry. All right, Brett, at this point, you can kill the heat. We'll just mix that in a little bit.
It smells really good. It does.
Well, there it is.
In all its scampi
glory.
The garlic butter.
It smells so good. Cannon, was the cook smelling good? And they all got to taste the sauce, so everybody's excited for this one. My daughter Kenzie's like, oh, that's dinner tonight.
Yep.
Like, hold the phone. We got a lot more cooks to go, but I don't blame her for wanting this one. So we're facing battery life, so we're going to try to get in this one. Brett, like we say, it can look amazing.
This looks perfect. Yes, it does.
Like we say, it can smell amazing.
Check that box off. Can I get a smell? Yeah,
you can. Probably one of the best smelling dishes we made.
Yes.
But if it doesn't taste amazing, this is all for naught. Cheers. I'll eat to that, my brother. Oh. Ain't no way.
Oh, the lemon.
That is packed.
That is so
with
good.
So much flavor. The lemon's the first thing that says hello, and then followed by the garlic and the pop of that shrimp,
the butter.
I mean, that is just
everything.
Too much. That is perfect.
This is the perfect dish. It took us less than 5 minutes from the time we laid down the stick of butter till the time Adam was taking pictures post-production. 7 minutes.
If I got this in an Italian restaurant,
or that was less than 5 minutes, but yeah.
If I got that in an Italian restaurant, I'm going back for that dish. That is so good.
Every single time.
I love that we get to come and knock out bangers like this one. It's so much fun on the griddle. If this gave you an idea of something else that you can cook on your griddle, make sure and give this video a thumbs up. We really do appreciate it. It's one way in which you can support what we do. Aside from coming and knocking out bangers like this, why else do we get together for these?
Because all we do is twin,
no matter what. And with that, we bid you adieu.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
And griddle on!